Now, there is only one company that rates insurance providers, and recently they said 17 insurers are at risk of having their rating downgraded.
Yeah, so that could force homeowners out of their current plans and put them on the search for another provider. News 6's Catherine Silver explains what's being done this week to get results.
Historically, Florida has relied on one company to certify the majority of the state's insurers. This proposal going before the Joint Legislative Budget Commission this week could lead to finding some possible alternatives. Millions of Floridians have mortgages that require insurance companies to be financially rated. Right now, only one organization will rate a company less than 5 years old. It's why this Friday, the state's Joint Legislative Budget Commission is expected to greenlight the search for solutions. $1.5 million to hire a consultant, someone to look at alternatives for property insurers to get ratings.
I'm very supportive of this $1.5 million.
Senator Linda Stewart is on the committee. She says the proposal is about exploring our options.
What we need to do is investigate how we might be able to do that. Investigate how other states may have one or two. Who are they? How are they doing it? Because we should not be limited to one company.
That one company is called Demotech. This July, they warned 17 property insurance companies could face downgrade.
When you do that, what happens, you send the notice to the mortgage company. The mortgage company goes, oh, I don't want to have an insolvent company with hurricane season coming up.
If insurers lose satisfactory ratings, homeowners could be forced to find other coverage. Tom Cotton, the owner of Hugh Cotton Insurance in Orlando, spoke about the possible fallout on The Weekly.
The real estate market would shut down. The mortgage lending market would shut down. We would be in a real crisis.
Cotton says as the peak of hurricane season approaches, the stakes are higher to find solutions.
A significant storm, a Wilma, Andrew, something like that, it could put several carriers in peril.
Senator Stewart believes the proposal will go forward this Friday. Once that happens, the Department of Financial Services can hire a consultant who can then get to work. It's important to note that there's no time frame set for how long they have. Senator Stewart says it will be suggested that they work rapidly. I'm Catherine Silver, getting results, News 6.